Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on the Honda Odyssey headphones. This is from a 2018 and it's relatively easy. This has been sitting on my car for like 3 years now, so I haven't changed the battery. Hopefully it hasn't exploded inside there or leak out. That's the problem. And so on your on the left side of your headphones, you look under on the back, should be a little tab here for the screwdriver to fit in. So let me get a screwdriver. I like to use a plastic screwdriver so I don't damage the plastic screw in there. So let me get a plastic screwdriver. Here's the one I'm going to use. So might be a little too big. Let's see if we can turn it. It turns. So I'm just going to use this. It's turning it. I'm going to use a guitar pick that's loose. Alright, now it's loose. This thing just slide off. So it only goes one way this way. So this uses two AA batteries. And good, it hasn't exploded yet. Or leak. So, which is good, so I'm just going to change this one. I got two of them, so I'm going to change both of them. Same way. Just turn it. Lefty-loosey. Check this one, see if it exploded or not. This one is a lithium battery. Let's see if this thing is still good. You're supposed to hold it here. These are good batteries, it didn't leak out. Does it say peel? Supposed to peel it? I don't know. No, why bother? I'm just gonna change it. Alright, so let me grab fresh batteries. I'm gonna use a rechargeable battery, so this one. So, one here, one there, opposite, and it only goes one way, of course. Just slide that in there. The screw stays with it. That's a good thing. You don't want to lose that screw. Slide that in. Same thing with this one. Just slide this in. And where's my plastic screwdriver? I keep losing it. And righty tighty. Okay, so go the opposite. And that's my washer making noise. Do the other one too. Alright, they're tight. Not turning anymore. Let's test it. Be sure the rechargeable batteries actually charge it too. So press the button here. Should have the light. There you go. And another one. Yeah, they're all working. Alright, that's how you change the battery for a Honda Odyssey headphones. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.